Hey, this is Bill for Sparky channel. And what in the world do you think this is? Just check it out for a moment, take a good look at it. Well, this is actually the inside of a light emitting diode light. And this would be used as a kitchen light, hallway light, in an area like that. And you see, these little amber items here are LEDs, light emitting diodes. And you see there's a lot of them, and this makes this extremely efficient to use. You get a lot of lumens from this kind of arrangement for a very small amount of power consumption. In fact, the amount of lumens from this light is 1700 lumens.
This video is sponsored by e-conolight, which is a strictly online lighting company which sells both residential and commercial lighting.
The name of this product is Natura LED, and it is a dimming type, so you can use a dimmer with it. The input voltage is 120 volts, 60 hertz. Input current is only 0.26 amps maximum. Power factor is greater than 0.9. Now, a perfect power factor is 1. That means the voltage going in is totally used, 100%. So this has a power factor of 0.9, so that's pretty efficient for a light. And then output voltage, 39 volts maximum. Output current is only 540 milliamps.
This particular light is 14 inches in diameter. Its average life is 50,000 hours. It comes with a 5-year warranty, and it's estimated to cost $2.65 a year to run. Notice on the box it says Cool White 4000K. Now K stands for Kelvin. 3400 to 4500 Kelvin is considered cool white, which is ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, workspaces, and outdoors. So I'm going to be installing this particular light in a kitchen, so 4000 Kelvin will be just right for me.
So the way this works is that there are 4 adjusting holes right here that will allow us to attach to a gang box. And there are different size gang boxes. And so the smaller set may go to one gang box and the larger set will go to another. So we'll have to see when I'm installing this, we'll have to see which one of these sets properly fits our gang box. But that's how we're going to attach it to the gang box. And then on the back side, you see we have a black hot wire, a white neutral wire, and a bare ground wire. And this is the frosted diffuser. It goes right on like this. And then we have the nickel colored ring that goes on right like this. And then it goes on the studs like that. And then there's 3 fasteners here. And when you fasten these 3 fasteners on, this gives you an IP64 rating. That's ingress protection, and that means it protects you from dust and from a certain amount of water spray. So the first thing we'll do is take off the old light, and we've taken off the diffuser and the light bulbs, and you gotta make sure the circuit breaker is off. And so once the circuit breaker's off, you take apart whatever system the old light has. It says a couple of screws that come off. All right, now go right down. So we're going to take a voltage tester and test the hot wires. Might as well test the neutral wires too, just to make sure the voltage is off. This piece right here is called a cross piece, and the cross piece is attached to the gang box. And so this one's got the old straight slot screws. Okay, so we're going to take off the white neutral and the black hot. Here we go. So there's the old light. Okay, this is a 1960 house that doesn't have a ground wire coming out of the gang box, so they do provide a screw on the cross piece, and just hook your bare ground wire to the screw on the cross piece. Just gotta tighten her down. I'll hook the neutral wires together. There we go. And I'll hook the black hot wires together. Okay, now your hot wire and your neutral wire always go in the gang box. You don't put them down here in the canopy of the light. They go in the gang box. Okay, so the neutral wire goes up in here. The hot wire goes up in here. Okay, so now I'm going to put the cross piece back on. Okay, so I'm screwing the cross piece onto the gang box with the 832 screws that are in the box. Okay, on this 1960 house, it has little nuts that go onto the 832 screws. Okay. So now I'll put on the diffuser right there. And then I'll put on the ring over that. We've got some acorn nuts. Put one on. Two. All right, so there we go. It's all tightened up. And I'll go turn on the circuit breaker and turn on the light. See how it works. So there you go. We have a nice 4,000 Kelvin, 1,700 lumen LED light. How do you like it?
Oh, I love it. Oh, it's nice and sleek. I like the metal around it.
It's modern looking, isn't it?
Yeah, it's big and bright. Oh, I love it.
I'll put a link in my video description for the e-conolight website, and I'll put a special promo code in my video description that will give Sparky channel viewers 20% off site-wide on all items on the e-conolight website. And the promo code will be good until June 30th, 2021. Also, try out e-conolight's customer service. They're there Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time. And the phone number is on your screen right there. And they're trained to be able to direct you to the product that you need. And they'll discuss how many lumens you might want for a certain light and topics like that. Thanks for watching.